Ever felt like you're paying too much for car repairs? You're not alone. Mechanics won't tell you this, but you can fix some common car issues yourself, saving hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Today, I'll reveal 3 secret DIY fixes that mechanics don't want you to know. And trust me, number 3 will blow your mind. Fix number 1. The battery terminal hack. If your car won't start and your battery seems fine, dirty terminals might be the problem. Instead of running to a mechanic, just mix baking soda and water, scrub the corrosion off with an old toothbrush, and watch your car start like new. Fix number 2. Reset that pesky check engine light. That check engine light might not mean expensive repairs. Try disconnecting the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes, then reconnect it. If the problem was minor, the light resets. No mechanic needed. Fix number 3. The AC boost trick. Weak AC air. Instead of expensive repairs, change your cabin air filter yourself. It takes 5 minutes and costs a fraction of what a shop would charge. There you have it. 3 DIY car fixes that mechanics don't want you to know. Like and subscribe for more money-saving car tips.